Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve bubble sort program. The task is to complete bubble function which is used to implement bubble sort. Input output I will explain with example. Our task is just complete the bubble function bubble. Here is the example input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case there are two lines. First line is the number of elements. Second line is the details of those elements. Same way remain test cases. Output. This is a sorting function. So the given elements will be sorted like this. To solve this task, we are using a bubble sort. Say this. How the bubble sort will work. The bubble sort. So we are not going to write entire bubble sort. Just we need to write the function bubble. That is the part of bubble sort. See this. This is the bubble sort. In this initially I equal to 0. Take this first test case to get the idea about this bubble function. In this array int I is the 0, int n is 5, j equal to 0. We need to get the idea about the bubble sort. What is happening in the bubble sort? Like every case, the largest elements will move to the last position. In this bubble sort, every adjacent element compared with the adjacents, comparison between adjacents and moving the larger one to the last. This is the idea about the bubble sort. See this, how it is happens. Initially I value 0, n is 5, 0, 5, j is 0, j is 0 less than n 5 minus I, 0 minus 1, nothing but 4, j less than 4. See this, array arrj is 4, arrj plus 1 is 1. Check this, 4 is greater than 1, it is true. Then swap both values. 4 comes this place, 1 is there. Then check j value increments, j value 1 now. 1 less than 4 is true. ARR G 1 greater than ARR 2. 4 is greater than 3, it is true. Then swap both values. 3 move to this place, 4 move to this place. 2 place. In this j value increments, j value 2 now. 2 less than 4, true. ARR 2 greater than ARR 3. See this, 4 greater than 9. It is false. So this if block not execute, j increments. J value is 3 now. 3 less than 4. It is true. ARR 3 greater than ARR 4. Yes. 9 is greater than 7. This if block execute. The values are swapped. Then 9 moves to this place. 9. 7 is this place. Then so 1 is there, 3 also there, 4, 7, 9. With a one operation, this entire list is swapped. So when the I value increments from 0 to I value increments, I value 1 now, but array is already sorted in the first iteration. Then this if block not execute for anyone, just G value increments, that is only happens. This is continuously moves up to I less than n minus 1. Then this is the sorted form. See this 1 3 4 7 9. Check our code is right or not by compile test. See this expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Correct answer with the execution time 0.09. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.